Namaste everyone. Today is 7th July and there is a very important update regarding reduction in syllabus for 10th standard. For this reduction you can visit CBSE website, that is cbseacademic.nic.in. Now here I will discuss the topic which is excluded from 10th standard mathematics syllabus. From real number, if you see unit 1, that is number system, and this in real number, now you need not have to do this Euclid's division lemma. So this topic is excluded now. Similarly, from chapter polynomial, if you see, then statement and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomial with real coefficient, this topic is also excluded. So Euclid's division lemma you need not have to do, and statements and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficient is also excluded. Now in pair of linear equations n2 variable, cross multiplication method now is not there. So there are three methods. In those three methods, cross multiplication method is now not there. So no problem is asked from cross multiplication method. In quadratic equation, situational problems based on equations reducible to the quadratic equation. So quadratic equation problems are there, but there are few problems which we have to reduce in quadratic equation. Those problems are now excluded from this quadratic equation topic. In arithmetic progression, applications in solving daily life problem based on sum of n terms. So problems, word problems related with sum of n terms is now excluded. In coordinate geometry, area of triangle is now excluded from the syllabus. In triangle, proof of the following theorems, like the ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. And in a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of square of other two sides, the angle opposite to first side is right angle. So this is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now you need not have to do this theorem, but you should know this theorem. Their application is there, and the theorem, the ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Now this theorem is also excluded. So proof, what they are saying, proof of the following theorem. So problems related with that are there, but these proofs you did not have to do. So you have to understand theorem, you have to understand what it means. In circle, complete topic is there, no reduction. In construction, construction of a triangle similar to given triangle, this topic is now excluded. So construction of triangle similar to given triangle is not there. So you can see major portion in topic construction, about 40% of this construction chapter is excluded. Now come to a very important topic, that is introduction to trigonometry. In introduction to trigonometry, most of the things are there. Only motivate the ratio whichever are defined at 0 degree and 90 degree. That means how we get the ratio of 0 degree and 90 degree is not there. But you have to remember values like sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Those values you have to remember. In trigonometric identities, trigonometric ratio of complementary angles, trigonometric ratios of complementary angle, this topic is not there. Like sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So those identities are now excluded from the syllabus. Heights and distance, that is application of trigonometry, this chapter is there, there is no deduction. In areas related to circle, problems on central angle of 120 degree. So all problems are there, but the problems in which central angle is 120 degree is excluded. So now you did not have to do these problems. In surface area and volumes, frustum of cone topic is excluded. So frustum of cone you did not have to do. In statistics, so this frustum of cone is the new concept which was introduced you in 10th standard only, but now they have removed this from 10th standard. So you have to concentrate the basic what you have done in 9th and problems related with those shapes. In statistics, step deviation method for finding the mean is excluded and cumulative frequency graph is excluded. From probability, there is no deletion, as this is a very important topic as far as your higher studies are concerned. So if you see, the amount of syllabus which was excluded in 10th standard is approximately 30 to 40%, right? So lot of burden is reduced for you all. So while preparing, you just make a note of these topics, that you did not have to focus much on these topics as they are not going to come. But for your understanding, you can go through these topics. So if you have textbook with you, so in that textbook, mark these topics as cross, as these topics need not have to be asked in your examinations. Okay, so I hope you understand all these things. Thank you.